Morning everybody. Today we'll do a very easy simple one for just a bit of playing time for us, practice time. So we'll just do a nice easy one. Right, it's practicing colours really, isn't it, this one? So we'll do a little, now we have to get the colours just right. So we'll start, in this one we'll start with the sky, okay, for a change. Now we'll have some nice pinky yellow flowers coming down here, up here, round and up here. Okay, so it's a bit of pink, which the pink is light red. Can you see just a little bit of light red there? Got that? Now let's put a little bit of what shall we have? A bit of cad yellow, yeah, in it. So you've got a little bit of light red with a little bit of cad yellow. So, well, we said we're going to put a cloud here. Let's make it a little bit deeper. It's not quite deep enough that. Once more, a bit stronger. So we'll see it. Because it changes, doesn't it? You know, it goes so much lighter. You know. So I said we're having this cloud coming down here, like that, a big cloud coming across, and this other cloud coming across to join it, like that, and then disappearing weaker all along this horizon, coming to the horizon, putting water in it, like that, and then back. We get some cobalt, nicely washed out brush, nice clean cobalt this time. Now, a bit more on it. We put it at the top because what's going to happen, see, dry your brush out a bit now because it's going to mix in with this cloud here, like this. But you don't want it too obvious, like that. Now the next, again, some more, this side. That's the cloud there. Roundish. It'll form its own colour in a minute. I'm coming up here, so that's the cloud there. So those two clouds have more or less joined together there, haven't they? And now let's weaken it out. You can hardly see that yellow, can you? There. Now there's your sky. But now as it comes towards here, we'll just have a little bit of lemon yellow in that pinky colour. See, that's the lemon yellow and that pinky bit of pinky what I've just had there with that blue. The blue there, the cobalt, there's your cobalt, there's your light red. Now, your cobalt and your light red. First of all, I've used light red with a little bit of cad yellow and I've put those in. And then I've got some clean cobalt on its own, mixed a little bit of a wash and put it in here like that. And now I'm going back with that and I'm going to put a little bit of, before it's too dry, put a little bit of light yellow in. It's going green because I'm not cleaning the brush out enough. That light yellow means lemon. And we'll let it go down, it's hardly a trace all the way. You can let it go down to the bottom if you like. Because the next area we'll do is right down here with the lower horizon. Because it's in Norfolk and you're looking a long way off. Okay. So we want a cad yellow. You know, this orange has really become part of my parcel in here. Add a little bit of orange to it, and a little bit of Windsor. And you get in, can you see what you get in there? Like it's like a warm, very warm green. So it's like cad yellow, there, see? Cad yellow, can't do it too far, there's a lot in there, you see. Just a touch of Windsor, see? Can you see? Now if you can add just a little bit of that orange glossy. Okay, let's add a bit more orange and a bit more blue, and let's see if we can get a really weird looking brown colour like this for our foreground. Straight, keep it straight if we can, like that. Now that's our foreground field to start, just to start. And that, like that, now we can dry. Let dry. Now you see what I've mixed there, it's like a bit of cad yellow, a bit of Windsor blue there, and a bit of orange. And it's giving you this, it's like it's a green, but it's like an undescribable green, isn't it? Now, if you like, as it's setting up a little bit, let's see what you do if you put a little bit of burnt umber with it. Just here in places. Gives it a bit more colour into it. And now leave it alone now, let it dry. Go for a cup of tea. Let it dry. Okay. Going dull today here. They say there's going to be storms. That wouldn't surprise me. Right, now what if I ask you to put me a little church here, a big tree over it, a pond here if you like, a little pond here, and just a group of trees here, and a little path going to behind the pond to it. I'll ask you to do that. Now we'll just do this. And I'll fill it in a bit, but you do it your own way this. So we'll put in you put a pond here. If I draw it in for you ready, you do it for me. So I'll tell you what, for me you can put me a little pond here, right, look, here. No, I'll leave it, you leave it white when you do it, right? Bring me a little path round the back of it, say. I'll go across here, to that point there, see? There, like that, to winding round to it. And then put me a church here. Now let's see, I'll have to put me a church about this side. The old Norfolk square top church. There. Okay, so you've got water there. You've got this path here, coming across here. I'll just put you a few like this, going smaller. Across there. There. And this has got some, this will have it water here. That will be there, lines. Now not too far, we'll put a little roof here. Like that, and a little door coming in here. Just as it seems as though they do the building up to this and then they carry on put a line across here when they're building. They put all the, if you watch Father Brown, which I rather love, he's in the Cotswolds, Father Brown TV programme. And there's your little church. A buttress here. And they'll have a lovely big tree here. just going round the back way there. Now another couple of trees here,